If you're having trouble opening a file from File apps on your iPhone, don't worry, we're going to show you how to fix it. This issue can happen due to compatibility problems, corrupted files, or issues with the app you're using to open the file. Here's how to resolve it. Solution 1. Restart the app. Close the app you're using by swiping up from the bottom of the screen to open App Switcher. Swipe up the File App Preview to close it. Reopen the app and try to open the file again. Solution 2. Check Storage and offload the File app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. First, optimize your storage. Make sure that you have 5 GB of free storage. After having the free storage, scroll down, find out File app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall app. After that, try to check out your issues. Hope this would solve your problem. Solution 3. Check file compatibility. Ensure that the file format is supported by the app you're using. If the file isn't compatible, try opening it with a different app, such as Files or a specific third-party app designed for that format. Or re-download the file. If the file was downloaded from the internet or an email, it might be corrupted. Delete the file and download it again from the original source. Solution 4. Update the app. Open the App Store. Tap your profile icon at the top right. Scroll down to see if the app has an update available. If an update is available, tap Update next to the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of files not opening on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.